Today is going to be all about hip dips. Not the body shape, the move, silly. So today's move is going to be super knee centric. So I really suggest that you use one of these mats, or if you don't have one of these knee mats, you can use your yoga mat and fold it up twice. Or if you don't have a yoga mat, you can even use a pillow, just something that's really going to be nice and cushiony on your knees, because this one is going to be a lot of pressure on those kneecaps. So how we're going to set up is you're going to put your little knee mat underneath your knees. Then you're going to come out in a nice exaggerated plank. Make sure your butt is down. Come onto your forearms. Now you're going to tip to one side, then tip to the other. Make sure that you pause when you're at the top just for a second. Come on down. It's that easy. So let's get started. Going to reset up my knees a little bit. So I'm definitely on this. So we're going to come on down and dip. Center, dip, center. Really pull your abs in. Really engage that core. That's definitely how you're going to get all of the lovely benefits of this move. You can look down to keep your neck nice and neutral here, or you can look forward, whatever suits your neck needs. If you cannot get your hip all the way to the floor, that is also okay. That really depends on strength of obliques and just a bunch of other things. You might even have knee pain or issues, so you don't go down as far. So like I said, I want you to be comfortable and pushing yourself. I don't want you to do anything that is going to hurt yourself. So just keep going. So keep that head high if you can. Whew. My hair is all in my face today. Keep tipping. Really try to keep your top half of your body nice and straight, and try not to move it. You're really wanting all of the work to come from the middle half of your body and down. Good job, guys. Ooh, I'm feeling the burn already. Keep tipping. Down. Down. And if you want, you can also, because this puts some pressure on your forearms, you can put a pillow or something under your forearms as well to make you more comfortable. Okay, so that is the easy part of the move. If you want to make it harder, you take out that knee pad because you're not going to need it. And what you're going to do is come up those forearms from those, the same as before. You're going to look at your hands now. You're going to tip down just like that. This puts a lot more pressure on your arms and on those hips. This definitely carves out that middle part of your body. Whew. But for a lot of people, this is too hard, myself included. Last one. And done. Whew. So I hope you really enjoy that move. It definitely targets those obliques. It's going to help slim the outside of the thigh, and it is just a wonderful move. So thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. If you're liking these challenges, please remember to subscribe, and I will see you guys later.